In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove invalid email to Sendgrid. To start, you will need to sign in to Twilio Sendgrid. This is the main dashboard where you manage your marketing and contact data. When you are signed in, you will be able to find the specific contact that contains the invalid email address, and you will remove it so your future campaigns are cleaner and more reliable. Take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct Sendgrid account and that the dashboard has fully loaded before you click anything. Once you are in Sendgrid, the next step is to click Marketing. This section is where Sendgrid organizes tools related to marketing contacts and messaging. Clicking Marketing helps you narrow your view to the area that contains the contacts list you need. You should see menu options appear or change as the interface switches to the Marketing Tools area, so watch for that update. After you enter the marketing area, you will click Contacts. This is the place where all your marketing contacts are stored and managed. The Contacts page is typically where you can search for a contact, review the details, and take actions like deleting a record. This matters because an invalid email may reduce deliverability, and deleting it helps prevent Sendgrid from repeatedly trying to send to an address that cannot work. Now you will search for the invalid email address. On the Contacts page, there is usually a search bar or search field at the top or near the contacts list. Type the invalid email address into the search field and allow the results to load. If the email address appears in the list, you are on the right track. If you do not see results right away, double-check the spelling and try the search again. The goal is to make sure you are selecting the correct contact record before you delete anything. When you find the contact that matches the invalid email address, you will select the contact. Selecting it usually highlights the row or opens a contact details panel, depending on the interface. This step is important because Sendgrid may show multiple contacts with similar information. By taking a moment to confirm you have the correct one, you reduce the chance of removing the wrong contact. Next, you will click Delete. This action is where Sendgrid starts the removal process for the selected contact. Before you click Delete, make sure that the contact you selected is truly the one with the invalid email address. If the interface shows a confirmation message soon after, that is a normal part of the workflow. Deleting should be treated as permanent, so careful selection helps you stay accurate. After you click Delete, you will click Confirm. The Confirm button is the final step that tells Sendgrid to actually remove the contact. When you confirm, the contact should disappear from the contacts list, or you should see a success message indicating the deletion was completed. Take a brief moment to verify that the invalid email contact is no longer present in the list, or that the search for that email no longer returns the same result. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.